We've taken a look at all thermal coffee maker available today. We used a comprehensive rating system to find the best thermal coffee maker. These models also have been reviewed by our experts with many parameters. Product number 5. And these are editor rating for this product. Product number 4.
The secret is a commercial-grade stainless steel tank that's always full of hot water. Pour cold water in, and hot coffee comes out less than 4 minutes later. Simple, Fast, amazing.
And these are editor rating for this product. Product number 3.
Programmable thermal carafe coffee maker. It comes in several different colors. This one happens to be black with stainless accents. It also has a double wall thermal carafe to keep your coffee hot longer. It also has a brew through, pour through lid so that you never have to twist and turn the top to get your coffee dispensed. It also has a mechanism in the top that keeps the oxygen out so the flavor of your coffee is never degraded. It's really easy to pour coffee and it's drip free. The other thing is it has a brew pause feature so that if you're very impatient and you don't want to wait till the whole pot is done brewing, during the brewing cycle you can remove the carafe, pour a cup of coffee and put it back and the coffee maker will continue brewing. It is also fully programmable like I mentioned, so you can program it to go off or on during any 24-hour period. So if you prefer to have your coffee ready before you go to work in the morning, program it to go on and you'll be all set. The other thing that's great is it has a 1 to 4 cup setting, which actually adjusts the way the coffee maker brews, so you always get a really great tasting coffee, no matter if you're only doing 1 or you're doing 10. It also has a self-clean function. And I just want to show you in the top here, it has a really nice, what we call shower head, so that it evenly disperses over the coffee before it's brewed. It also comes with a gold tone filter, which is permanent. So it's reusable. All you need to do is after your coffee is done brewing, you take this out, you dump out the grinds, and then you rinse it. And it can be used over and over again. The other thing is that when you use a permanent filter like this, sometimes the coffee will have a little more sediment because the mesh is not as fine as paper. So if you prefer a virtually sediment-free coffee, we recommend that you use paper filters. And we give you a starter pack of those. The other thing that comes with your coffee maker is we give you a nice scoop to measure out your coffee into the coffee maker. And the other thing is it comes with a charcoal water filter to remove impurities such as chlorines, taste, and odor. The other thing is that we recommend that you follow the instructions in the manual to prepare your filter. It needs to be soaked and rinsed before it's used in your coffee maker. And after you prepare it, you flip this down and this goes right in here and you put it right in your coffee maker and the water is filtered before your coffee is actually brewed. So there you have it, the 10-cup thermal carafe programmable coffee maker.
And these are editor rating for this product. Product number 2. these are editor rating for this product. Product number 1.
FlexBrew Plus Thermal Carafe Coffee Maker. The FlexBrew Plus uses Zojirushi's superior vacuum insulation technology to keep coffee hot for hours in this carafe. And because it uses vacuum insulation and not a hot plate, coffee will never burn. The carafe has a nicely tapered design with a thumb-activated lid to make pouring and serving smooth and simple. It's made of durable stainless steel, and all surfaces that come in contact with coffee are BPA-free. This model has a 10-cup capacity, and the removable water tank makes filling easy. Simply fill your desired amount of water into the clearly marked tank, and put ground coffee into the filter basket accordingly. Then press the on button. The FlexBrew Plus brews coffee at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the optimal temperature for the best tasting coffee. With the 24-hour programmable timer and clock, fresh hot coffee can be ready in the morning. When brewing completes and the carafe is removed, the basket's spring-loaded mechanism is designed to prevent drips. The FlexBrew Plus is easy to clean, and the water tank is fully washable, and the swing and filter baskets lift out easily for thorough cleaning. In addition, this unit has a clean light indicator that illuminates when cleaning is recommended. Zojirushi, inspirations from everyday life.
And these are editor rating for this product.